Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 2. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Nelson Singh, First Officer Benson Tan, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 25 minutes ahead of schedule. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin, kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Tayo po ay patungong Terminal 2 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba.
Bilis nga.
Ikinagagalak naming ipaalam na tayo ay maaga ng 25 minuto sa takdang oras ng pagdating. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang eroplano ay hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo ay nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan ang kayo'y mapagsilbihan at inaasahan namin na muli tayong makikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia, ni Kapitan Nelson Singh, Unang Opisyal Benson Tan, at lahat ng aming kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauhin na may dalang sanggol at nabigyan ng infant life vest, mangyaring ibalik ang mga ito sa cabin crew bago po kayo bumaba. Maraming salamat po.
Have a good disarm all doors and cross check.
We're here.